Hey guys, welcome to this Instagram guide, and here I'll detail how to archive reels on Instagram. So if you want to archive your reels on Instagram, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. Mark you can only archive reels you uploaded yourself and not reels from other Instagrammers. So if other Instagrammers upload the reels on Instagram, instead of you to archive it, you can only download the reels if the permission is granted. So here basically we'll take a look at how you can archive your reels on Instagram. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application on your phone. Then once you open it, click on the profile icon at the bottom right to go to your Instagram profile page. On the profile page, then locate the reels you want to archive. So if you click on this is the reel button, and here's the grid, and this contains all the posts you have on your Instagram page. And the third option is meant for collaborators. So locate the reels button on your Instagram profile page and click on it. Now once you click on it, locate the reels you want to archive. Once you open the reels on your Instagram, click on the three dots at the bottom right. Then here, locate manage button. Once you see your reels information pops, and click on it. Then on selecting that, under manage your reel, locate archive and then click on that. Once you click on archive, you're going to see a pod that says archive reel. For you to be able to archive this reel, just go ahead and click on archive. Then once you tap archive, the reels will be archived on your Instagram, and then you'll be taken to the archive page straight away. Here you have access to all the archive post reels on your Instagram page. And now if you come back to your Instagram page and then you refresh, then you discover that the reel is no longer available. See that? So we no longer have any reel here. If you repeat this on hundreds of reels, this is going to archive all the reels you selected here. Mark you, there is no way you can archive all your reels at once. So you have to do this one after the other. Now to see the reels you archived on your Instagram, just click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Here, click on the menu icon at the top right and locate archive under how you use Instagram. There you go. Then you're going to see your archive. So this is post archive. The post archive contains your Instagram post archive and your Instagram reels archive. If the post archive is not coming up here, just click on it like this and then click on post archive from the pops, and then you're going to have access to all your posts and reels archive on your Instagram profile page. So that is basically how to archive reels on Instagram. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.